Jasmine here from How to Electronics. In this project, we will build an ESP32 cam-based face and eyes recognition system. This tutorial introduces everyone to an efficient video streaming method wirelessly. Here we have used ESP32 cam module, which is a small camera module with the ESP32S chip. Besides the OV2640 camera and several GPIOS to connect peripherals, it also features a micro SD card slot that can be useful to store images taken with the camera. We will go through the ESP32 CAM features, pins description and the method to program this device using FTDI module. Then we will install the ESP32 CAM web server library and upload the example code using Arduino IDE. Apart from this, we will also install the required Python libraries. Later, we will go through the Python code for face and eyes recognition. This is an essential tutorial as you will be able to use any sort of image processing or machine learning on the live video without having to write it on the Arduino IDE. If you are really excited about this project, then watch this video till the end. This video is sponsored by my favorite PCB manufacturer company called NextPCB. They offer PCB board and PCB assembly services at the lowest affordable price. You can get trial PCB, 2-layer PCB and 4-layer PCB with free PCB assembly shipping services up to a fast lead time of 24 hours. All you need to do is visit nextpcb.com and upload the Gerber file. Select PCB quantity, color, material type and other details. Then place an order. You will get the high quality PCB within 48 hours. Welcome back again. This is an ESP32 based camera module developed by AI Thinker. The controller is based on a 32-bit CPU and has a combined Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth or BLE chip. This is the OV2640 camera module which has the highest camera resolution up to 1600 x 1200. The camera connects to the ESP32 cam board using a 24-pins gold-plated connector. The board supports an SD card of up to 4 GB. The SD card stores captured images. The board does not have an onboard programmer, so in order to program this board, you can use any type of USB to TTL module. Please follow this connection diagram. Connect the 5V and GND pin of ESP32 to 5V and GND of FTDI module. Similarly, connect the RX to VOT and TX to VOR pin. Also, solder the IO0 and GND pin together. This is to put the device in programming mode. Once programming is done, you can remove it. So here is a connection similar to the circuit diagram. I recommend you not to use the breadboard for this project as the reset pin is placed at the bottom. Rather, use female to female connector. There is a very well written and nicely documented article about this project on howtoelectronics.com. You can visit the link in the description to learn more about this project. Anyway, let's move to the project. Go to the GitHub repository by your Sunny and download the library for the ESP32 CAM. Open your Arduino IDE and then add the library through the library manager. Once the library is successfully added, go to the file, then select examples. From the example, select Wi-Fi CAM code. So here is the code. From this code, you need to replace the Wi-Fi SSID and password with your SSID and password. These lines are for auto video streaming resolution. The rest of the code can be followed up for learning more. Now from the Tools menu, select the ESP32 Rover module and all other options are shown here. Connect your ESP32 CAM module to the computer. Then hit the upload button and the code will be uploaded within a minute. Now open the serial monitor. If everything is fine, you will get a camera OK message. Then the local IP address will also be displayed. Now go to your web browser and download the Python latest version. Python is required because the machine learning and image processing part is done by Python libraries. After the Python gets downloaded, complete the installation process. Now we need to install two Python libraries on our operating system, that is NumPy and OpenCV. To do that, open the command prompt and type pip install numpy and press enter. After the installation is done, type pip install opencv-python and press enter. Once this is installed, close the command prompt. Now open IDE code editor or any Python code editor. Open a new file and copy the following code and paste it on the code editor. Copy the IP address from the serial monitor of Arduino IDE and replace this IP address in the Python editor code. Then save the file with any name. Click on Run to run the program. So the Py script will start now. A pop-up window with the name Live Transmission appears, showing the live video with a red-colored rectangular box covering the whole face and within that if it recognizes eyes. Then green-colored box appears around the eyes. That's all for today's session. Thank you so much for watching.